In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Pencil 2 in Krita. To get started, select the Pencil 2 brush, press F6 to open the brush presets docker if it isn't already visible. In the search bar, type Pencil 2 or look for the preset named Pencil 2. Once you find it, click the preset to select the brush. The Pencil 2 brush is used for creating pencil-style strokes with a natural drawing feel. To use it, select the brush and start drawing on your canvas. Adjust the brush size depending on the type of lines and details you want to create. Use a smaller brush size for thin lines, fine details, and precise sketches. Increase the brush size for thicker strokes and larger sketch areas. The Pencil 2 brush is commonly used for sketching, outlining, line work, and adding details to artwork. It is useful when you need a simple pencil brush for creating controlled strokes. When using this brush, build your artwork gradually by adding strokes and adjusting the brush size as needed. Use smaller strokes for detailed areas and larger strokes for broader sections of your drawing. Once you have selected the brush and adjusted the settings, you can continue creating your artwork with pencil-style strokes. And that's how to use Pencil 2 in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.